Hello, this is for CIS210. This is Zach Nault, week 12. So this week we had to split everything up into buckets and work with big data. So I made, instead of using the original list, I went ahead and made a new one. And it's a million random integers, so it's got everything from 1 to 6 character length. I went ahead and made the dictionary version like you did, and you'll see it splits everything. The only problem is it doesn't account for duplicates because it's a dictionary and you can't have duplicate keys. So yeah, as you see, it still works though. Everything's split by length of character. Pretty straightforward program. Just takes the list and splits it up by length. So going with my own idea, I went ahead and made a list version instead, because lists can account for duplicates, as you know. Same thing, takes a second or two to run, but now it's a million in length, and here's my listed list. And as you see, it came out exactly the same as the dictionary one, just I'm allowed to have duplicates in mine, like 3, 3. There's only one. And you'll see 1 million in length. But it's not very organized when you get into like the 6 digits. So I realized if I take this list, so we'll grab this one, and then we go throw it into the recursion program from last week. So there it is. So now, I didn't show you this last week, but my recursion limit is pretty much 2,500. I know Python can handle more, but this is what my computer's happy with, so it's what it is. Faster one could probably handle more, but whatever. So I'm going to throw that list that we just made into here, and then it's going to go through and do the process that we talked about last time where it makes it into 4 quarters and gives you an output file for each and then gives you a final list. And so grab the minimum and the maximum, and those are where each quarter is for the different files right here. And as you see, here's our final list, and then we just grab the listed list. And I talked about this briefly in my write-up too. But as you'll see, like in the smaller range, you don't really, there's really no difference. It kind of doesn't account for much organization because the range for the first file goes up to 250,000. But where I think it really starts to make a difference is if you come down to the bottom section, all this, you get 500,000, 400,000, 300,000. Whereas this final list, the last give or take 250,000 in the list will only be 750,000 or higher in length. I mean, as an integer value. So, as you see, it works. There's 1,000, somewhat more organized, and yeah, that's about all I got. Have a good one.